Hi guys, here we have a ALBA CRM1009 radio cassette, which I've got marked up online. The seller was selling it for £15. I've made an offer for £10, which they've accepted. So I'm just waiting for it to arrive. These are some of the original pictures from the original listing, and the seller states that it works fine except for the fast forward button sticking. So while I'm waiting for it to arrive, let me just show you some of the same models for sale. This one's 20 quid used, most of them are. £24. This one's spares and repairs. Yeah, they're selling it for 25 quid. With most of them, they offer you the option to make an offer if you want to purchase it. But like I said, I've bought this one, just waiting for it to arrive. Okay, as you can see here, the item has arrived finally. Took a few days, and it's a nice tidy unit, better than the picture. So for safety first thing I'm going to do is check the power cord for damage. Just fast forward this section here, but I'm just checking the power cord for splits. That's all fine. So I'll switch the unit on, and as stated by the seller, radio works fine.
It can make you feel a bit less uneasy about the fact that you are very much more for.
I can't see any problems as yet. So it's just a matter of checking the tape. I'm going to put the tape in front of the drawer so I can see what's happening. Sorry, behind the drawer. And press play. Plays fine. As you probably hear. And then if I try press rewind, that works also. You zoom close up there. Rewind's working also. So when I press forwards now, as stated, there's a problem. It's just not moving. It's not running the tape forwards at all. So I'm gonna have to have a look at that. Start by dismantling the unit in the usually lively manner. More than likely, inside it's the belts that are worn out or perished, as don't really make radio cassettes anymore. As you can see here, I've just managed to separate the unit, pull the unit apart, and then let's have a look here. You got the capstan and the main motor, and let's have a look at the belts. This belt doesn't look too bad, but this belt here is it's practically not doing anything. It's stretched and perished. So both belts have to be changed. Here you can see me just moving the top belt from the capstan, and that's out of the way. And then I'm going to get to this second belt under here, and just a matter of working that around the capstan and off. That's the two belts removed there. I carry a selection of belts, so I'm just going to replace the belts. First and foremost, I've got to remove the clip from the capstan off the front. I've removed it, but it's fell inside. I'm going to have to deal with that later. So here you can see me just removing the capstan. That's the capstan there. Two belts go around it. Capstan with its pulley, flywheel. So here, you see me just fitting the first belt. Just getting that in place. And just use these tweezers just to assist to put that first belt on. And then just a matter of getting the second belt on. It goes around the main motor and then around the capstan pulley. As you can see there, got that belt on. and that looks fine. So what I'm going to do, power the unit on and just press play, see what happens. Get little close-ups. You can see both belts are fitted and they seem to be running fine. So, as I said before, the little clip for the capstan fell off, so I'm just going to shake it out. There is a tiny little clip that holds the capstan in place. There you can see it there. I'm just going to fit it back on. It's a bit of a tight space. I've got to get this little clip onto this capstan drive shaft. Not easy to film. I've got it on most of the way there. Just a matter of sliding it in place. A bit of a confined space, that's why I didn't manage to film it. But that's in place now. That should stop the capstan from moving. So it's just a matter of reassembling the cassette unit. Usual lively manner. Just pop this battery cover back on. And just going to give it a little bit of a clean, even though it's tidy enough. So that's all done now. All I've got to do is test it. I'll just pop this tape in here, shut the drawer, and first thing I want to try is the fast forwards, and you can see it spinning there through the door, and then the rewind, and that's working fine, and then play, and that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.